Are you paid by the hour? That's pretty outdated. We may now be paid by the minute. Yes, that is correct. Your money will be transferred to you online every minute. It will not, by the way, actually require any social media engagement or following, nor will it require any selling, surveys, or technical skills. Even to this day, this is by far the most straightforward method for beginners to make a lot of money online while leaving the work to the professionals. Consider becoming your own boss. You have all the money in the world. Furthermore, you will be able to meet your needs at all times. In this manner, you will be able to pay your bills and acquire your material needs, such as cars and houses. Furthermore, you will be able to help your friends and family by providing financial assistance. As a result, your decision to earn money online will benefit not only you, but also those around you. So give this new method a shot right now. So, assuming you're a newbie, I can assist you in earning your first potential money online. But if you're not new to making money online, I want you to give this a shot. Because, believe me, it's going to be so simple, and it'll be like a walk in the park for you. But first, welcome to Money Intelligence, where we show you how to make money online in the simplest way possible. Please subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out on future videos. Don't forget to click on the notification bell so that anytime we release a new video on how to make money online, you will be the first to know and you will be able to start making things happen right away. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it. Please don't be shy about leaving a comment down below if you have any concerns, questions, or thoughts regarding the video. Let's get back to the video now, shall we now? Let's start with Skillshare.com. This website provides a wide range of online workshops, video training, and courses. Customers can enroll in a variety of classes and watch a variety of videos on this platform if they want to learn new skills. You're probably wondering how we'll make money from our website at this point. That is exactly what we will discuss next. Now, go to the homepage of this website and scroll all the way down to the bottom, where you will see Become a Teacher under the Teaching section. When you click on it, you'll be taken to this page where you can sign up for a free account, become a teacher, and begin posting videos on this website. And don't worry, you won't have to create any videos because I'll show you how to get pre-made videos to upload right away. It will be much simpler than you think. And I'll walk you through the process step by step. So, in order to begin teaching on Skillshare.com, you must first create your first class. Following that, you must upload videos to this website. And as people enter and watch the video, you will begin earning money, which will be paid per minute. Yes, you read that correctly. You will be paid per minute when people view your lessons or courses. And many people make thousands of dollars per year simply by posting videos on this platform. Continuing on, let's look at this section right now. It basically states that you will earn money through monthly royalties and referral bonuses based on the number of minutes people watch your videos. There are two ways we can earn money right now on this platform. The first is to upload these videos or courses to this platform. The other option is to refer people to the platform. Okay, I'll show you that later. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's return to the video. So, now that you've returned to the homepage, all you have to do is click on this green button here that says Start a Class. You will then be directed to this page where you can upload your video tutorials or courses, but not create them. So hold on tight because I'll show you in a minute where we can get these done for you videos. Currently, I'll give you some examples. Now, if I click on the Browse button at the top and select this graphic design category, you'll be taken to this graphic design page. As you can see, this platform has a large number of followers. So it's almost certain that if you upload a video here, you'll start making money right away. This video playlist, for example, was uploaded by a content creator. As you can see, there are a lot of videos in just one playlist, ranging from 1 minute to 10 minutes. So as I watch this video, the uploader is earning money by allowing others to view his videos. To reaffirm, this is an excellent way to earn passive income because after you copy and paste the video on here, people from all over the world will be able to watch your videos on Skillshare without you having to promote them. Now, let's go to renderforest.com to get started. This is the website where we can download and upload free videos to Skillshare.com. This is a well-known business where you can obtain multimedia collateral. But for the time being, let's just concentrate on making videos. Simply click Make Videos at the top of this toolbar to be redirected to this page, which says Video Templates that fit your needs. I prefer RenderForest because you can get free video templates from which to choose. These aren't just any old videos, they've been professionally produced. And you can have them all with just a few mouse clicks and no outlay of funds. If you don't have a computer, don't worry, you can do this on your phone as well. So that's a huge plus. With that in mind, I recommend that you use whiteboard animation toolkits. Why? Because there are a lot of people interested in this niche, which is a plus when you publish it as a Skillshare.com training course. All you have to do now is click on this link, and you'll be taken to this page, which says Whiteboard Animation Toolkit. As you can see, it's being used by a variety of people. In a nutshell, I'd like to demonstrate how it looks over these whiteboard tutorial video templates, which are identical to what you're seeing now. All you have to do now is visit this website and click the Create Now button to be taken to a page where you can begin creating a new video. You will now have 3 options to choose from. I'd like you to choose Load a Preset so you can select a storyline that has already been written for you. Once you've decided to load a preset, simply click the Create button. After clicking that, you'll be taken to this page where there are a number of ready-made storylines for you to choose from, as well as many done-for-you videos, which you can download for free from this amazing platform called RenderForest and upload to Skillshare. Moving forward, all you have to do now is choose a video to upload to Skillshare. You can simply click on your preferred video to view the preview, or if you don't have time, you can simply click on this Use Ready Story button right here. After you click that, you will be redirected to this page where you can customize everything on the video. You can add clips, change certain texts, and literally anything on this video can be customized. To continue, select Style from the buttons above. The platform will then display options like these, allowing you to customize the look and feel of your animation and video. Then, next to the Style button, select a color from the drop-down menu. You have the option of selecting the main color of your video right here or skipping this step. If you prefer it as is, select the last edit button, Music. The music for your video will then be available for selection right here. After you've completed all of that, click this Preview button to view the done-for-you video that you've already slightly edited. To be clear, this website is completely free to use. And you can get a lot of your materials for free at RenderForest.com. Remember that you can use the same process on different templates or videos with different stories to create other instructional videos that you can publish on Skillshare.com and earn money from. Don't pass up this opportunity. Go ahead and give it a shot to start making money for yourself. That's the end of it. It's been Money Intelligence. Subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.